If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on OnePlus 15R, here's what you can do. So if we go to the control center or quick settings, by default you should be able to find the Quick Share option. So you can tap on that button in order to open the Quick Share panel. Now in here, if you are in receive section, you are temporarily visible to everyone, so you can easily receive files. Now, besides that, you can of course go to send in order to, for example, choose files that you want to transfer to someone. Over here we can find the whole list of different files, and then we can choose to whom we want to send those files. You can also send to nearby devices instead, because here you can usually just find you can only find your devices, and here we can find other people. Besides that, you might want to take a look at the visibility. So if you go to receive and tap on your phone in here, then we can go to who can share with you, and of course you can manage visibility. Now, since we are in Quick Share panel, if you go to the receive, then temporarily the visibility is set to everyone. But if you want to be able to receive files even without being in the Quick Share section, then of course you might want to adjust it in here. Now, of course, we can use that panel in order to transfer files, but it might be a little bit more easier to transfer files by first selecting these files in apps that we use. So, for example, if I go to the My Files app, which is of course the file manager on this phone, if I go ahead and choose something from here, like a couple of these screenshots, then I can tap on the share button in the bottom left corner, and then we can use the Quick Share. And then this might be just more convenient to actually, the more convenient way to select files and transfer them to someone. So you can remember that you can most of the time share files and find the Quick Share option in the share section. Leave a like and subscribe.